Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Battle.net app. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this simple instruction. So if you are Android user, you can directly use a Google Play Store. If you are an Apple user, then you can use your Apple Store as well. So here you have to go to the Google search bar and you have to search for the app. Okay. So here I am downloading Battle.net. Okay, Battle.net app. You can directly search from here like this. Never write Battle.net, it will redirect you to the website. You have to write like this, and here you have to search, and then you have to click on this download and install, and it will automatically download and install the app in your device. So by this way you can do it. It's a very easy process. So here we can see it's downloading and installing by itself. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.